I want to touch on one more, I think, important thing that I've seen get missed in virtual care so often, and something Donna did really well, which is when you are servicing a very large population at scale, so tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of encounters, you will have bad outcomes. Whether or not you practice medicine, like irrespective of practicing medicine perfectly, there will be bad outcomes, there will be complaints, there will be potential med mal cases, right? Like there will be investigations. So it is of utmost importance to take a proactive approach to all of that. And that's something that I feel like a lot of new virtual health startups are missing. They don't understand that this complication that only happens 1 in 1,000 patients, like that's going to happen. That's like if you're seeing 10,000 patients, you're going to see it 10 times, you know? And if, for some people that doesn't click until it's too late.
Yeah. I think in my journey, I think that when you're delivering healthcare in whatever company, whether it's brick and mortar or whether it's virtual care, I think that where I see them fail is they have a very strong CEO, they have very strong product people, but they do not have a strong clinical strategist with them. And that's where they fail, because then they start going after this shiny object and they forget that they're delivering healthcare. And so if you're not listening to the patients that you're seeing and you're not listening to the clinicians that are actually providing the service, then you're really not going to get anywhere. You might be able to sell a product, but maybe they're not actually doing that, right? Or the patients aren't actually asking for that. And that's really where I think is where us as clinicians can be really important. And we have to be strong, right? You have to be able to feel like you can speak up in an environment. You have to feel like you're being listened to. Otherwise, for me, that's not going to be a match.